for starting off, what I want to do for affiliate marketing is make it very easy for you guys to find my content. I know the last couple months I've been getting a lot of messages. Anthony, will you organize your videos to make them in a playlist for me to go through? And today I actually just did that. So a few playlists that I actually want to highlight is this playlist here, the affiliate marketing case studies. I've done case studies on Facebook ads, Bing ads, so go watch those case studies. If you have not seen those case studies, watch them to the end. Now, you're going to get a lot of value from those. Now, next is ClickFunnels. So for future content, for any ClickFunnels related content, will always go in the ClickFunnels. Now, keep in mind this Bing ads playlist is here. YouTube and personal branding. So if you're wanting to get into personal branding or start YouTube, this is going to be like YouTube affiliate marketing specifically, live streams. But moving forward, I know in 2 years from now, if I have 500 videos on my channel, it's gonna make it so much easier for people to hey, like some people may just want to watch Facebook ad content. So for those videos, I'm just gonna start dropping into the Facebook ad playlist. But as you can see, I do have a general playlist, which is the CPA affiliate marketing journey. So all my videos will just go in there as a general, but come here and, whichever one you're interested in, come and actually watch those videos. But anyways, we're at 7,622 people. I just want to say so far, thank you to everyone who, watches my videos, everyone who is subscribed and has that notification bell on. To me, it's motivation. Every time I see a like on the video and comments on the video, questions, people helping each other, engagement, it's just motivation to, keep putting out content. And also let me know too, DM me and let me know some videos that you guys want to see. In terms of future videos, I know weekly I've been going over different content. We did Bing ads, we did Facebook, we did personal branding and YouTube. We'll be doing email marketing. But I also want to do more case studies. So, for example, I want to do YouTube affiliate marketing campaigns. So, for example, running Google AdWords. So that would be really fun to do and just show you guys, the back end of how Google AdWords works for affiliate marketing. Also, in 2019, I will be doing, I want to get into native pretty heavy. I have this crazy goal with native ads, by the way. I've been doing a ton of research on it, but that's just a small update. I'll be talking about that in future videos, but besides that, once I start native ads and I start running campaigns and I start also documenting it on YouTube, I'll just make another native ad playlist on tools I'm using, how I'm swiping, how I'm spying, everything A to Z on what's going on. And I'll even do a mini case study. It'll probably be with Rev Content most likely, or another network. I really like Taboola, just based off of my research. I know they require a higher budget to spend with. But anyways, I'm not going to drag this video on forever. So this is going to be the new update for the playlist. So I hope you guys are excited if you wanted to find my case studies, because some people say, Anthony, I can't find your case study. Just, click into here. Let me open up a tab.
The last quarter of
And let me scroll down 1 second. Whoops, let me just click exit. Let's just go to view full playlist. So right here, this Facebook ad case study I did a long time ago, a little bit over a year ago. This is still relevant to today. Some of the same strategies I show in these videos are still relevant today. So make sure to actually go watch those videos. Now next, if you haven't followed me on Twitter, go follow me there. Add me on Facebook as a friend. Join my private Facebook group. And if you want additional training, just click here. But as always, thank you for tuning into my video. Stay tuned for tomorrow's video because I want to start doing more live streams. And I'm actually building out my schedule right here for 2019 for future content, where I'm actually going to be doing live streams weekly. It's most likely going to be Sunday, but I'll do an announcement in my private Facebook group so everyone knows when I'm going to be live streaming, when to come on and ask your questions. So I get a lot of questions in my inbox, but I know honestly the best way is just doing improv on a live stream. Because sometimes, if there's, 20, 50 people on a live stream, one person may ask that question, but I may actually help like 200 people who go back and watch the replay or just hanging out on the live stream. But thank you everybody who's like on the journey, and I hope everyone's, excited for the holidays. If if you're traveling, travel safe. But anyways, I'm not going to drag this video on any longer. Thank you for tuning in to today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.
was just starving in them apartments. This shit feel like yesterday. I was just going to sleep on some cotton. This shit feel like yesterday. I ran my bands up and know I'm not sorry, so I ain't feeling like yesterday.